Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all you have to do is to simply open the recents, and depending what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the gestures, just like me, as you can see I do not have the buttons, then all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up gently and hold it somewhere here, and the recents will pop out. But if you've got the three buttons navigation, I believe you have to tap on the square icon or the three bars icon, one of those two. So let me enter the recents, maybe not that. Here we've got the recents, as you can see, and all we have to do in order to turn off one of the apps is to find it and simply swipe it to the right or to the left. It doesn't really matter, just do it. But if you've got a lot of apps opened and if you do not have time to close them manually, just tap on this X button right in the middle. And as you can see, we immediately got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So basically that's all. This is how to how to turn off running apps in your Xiaomi 12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.